Unlocking your potential. In today's fast-paced world, cultivating habits that support our well-being and success is crucial. In this video, we will delve into the psychology behind building healthy habits and provide practical strategies to help you on your journey to success. Before we dive into the strategies, let's understand the psychology behind habit formation. Our habits shape our daily lives, and by harnessing the power of habit, we can create positive change and pave the way for success. Let's explore some practical strategies to build healthy habits for success. Define your vision. Begin by clarifying your vision of success. What does success mean to you? Take the time to reflect on your goals, values, and aspirations. Having a clear vision serves as the foundation for building habits that align with your desired outcomes. Start small. Break down your goals into small, manageable steps. Begin with one habit at a time to prevent overwhelm. For example, if you aspire to be more productive, start by setting a daily routine or dedicating a specific time for focused work. Create a cue. Identify a cue or trigger that will remind you to engage in the desired habit. It could be a specific time, location, or even an object that serves as a reminder. Consistency is key in habit formation, and having a cue helps reinforce the behavior. Set SMART goals. Make your goals specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. By setting clear and realistic goals, you create a roadmap for success. Track your progress and celebrate small victories along the way to stay motivated. Building healthy habits extends beyond productivity and encompasses all areas of life, including physical well-being. Let's explore some key areas where healthy habits can contribute to overall success. Prioritize self-care. Make time for self-care activities that rejuvenate and nourish your mind, body, and soul. This could include exercise, meditation, hobbies, or spending quality time with loved ones. Self-care fuels your energy and resilience, enhancing your ability to tackle challenges and achieve success. Foster positive relationships. Surround yourself with a supportive network of individuals who inspire and uplift you. Cultivate meaningful connections and engage in open communication. Positive relationships provide a strong support system and can propel you towards success. Continuous learning. Embrace a growth mindset and commit to lifelong learning. Seek opportunities to expand your knowledge and skills, whether through books, online courses, or workshops. Investing in personal and professional development keeps you adaptable, innovative, and primed for success. Remember, building healthy habits for success is a journey that requires patience, perseverance, and self-compassion. It's okay to stumble along the way, but what matters is your commitment to getting back up and continuing forward. Thank you for joining us in this exploration of building healthy habits for success. By understanding the psychology of habit formation and implementing these strategies, you can unlock your potential and create a life filled with purpose, fulfillment, and achievement.